Hello, this is Mariona Ribera. I am a VIT teacher and I participated in a job shadowing in Firenze. At the beginning, I was quite nervous because I have never participated in an Erasmus project, but I thought that if my students could do it, so could I. I had to book a motorcycle because my apartment was really far away from the center of Firenze. So I had to take for 10 minutes my motorcycle from my apartment to the Rignano train station, take the train, and walk for 5 minutes until I got to the pharmacy. I worked there for 5 days with the objective of seeing the differences between the Catalan and the Italian pharmacies. The pharmacy was one of the oldest pharmacies in Europe. Actually, it was founded in the 14th century. Yeah, I was really proud of working there for 5 days. I learned Italian and new words for me such as compress, siropo, bustine, laconi, fiale, and the most weird for me was zanzare, that means mosquito. I also learned to read the letter of the Italian doctors. Every afternoon, I had time to visit the center of Firenze, so apart from learning, I could also enjoy my 5 job shadowing days. Experience is really recommendable. It makes you grow as a person, opens your mind, makes you feel free, and that increased my self-esteem. Every teacher should participate in an Erasmus project. Thanks for listening. Ciao!